Ready to transform your data into actionable insights and master the art of data-driven decision-making with killer key performance indicators in Tableau. First, let's load up your data into Tableau. Make sure you have a dataset that includes the relevant metrics for your business goals, such as sales figures, website traffic, or customer satisfaction scores. Once connected, we'll need to define what your key performance indicators (KPIs) actually are. Now, drag in the relevant fields, such as sales, onto your rows or columns shelf. This will allow you to build initial visualizations, like a bar graph representing your total sales. Next, right-click on the value you want to measure and select Quick Table Calculation, and then choose a percentage or a rate calculation, depending on the indicator you need. Next, let's create our first KPI card. Bring the core measure, in this case, sales, to the text block of a sheet. We will style how the sheet looks based on its relevance to our overall performance. For example, we can easily add a conditional formatting to highlight in green if a target is met or in red if it is not, to compare the actual KPI to the target. We'll need to write a calculation. Open the calculated field dialog box and write a formula that computes the difference. This could be as simple as subtracting the target sales from the actual sales, or calculating a percentage difference based on what you want to measure. Now, combine your individual KPI sheets onto a dashboard to create a centralized overview. Arrange the cards strategically alongside supportive visualizations. This allows decision makers to easily at a glance the performance trends and progress towards strategic goals, such as highlighting year-over-year increase in sales compared to previous years. Don't forget to add titles, appropriate sizing of your KPIs, and labels. And that's it. Great job on completing your first KPIs.